Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through this fault code here. It's P0120 Inlet Air Flap Position Sensor 1 DEF. Now this is the 1.5 diesel Renault engines in the Nissan Qashqai. It's a 2018 plate. I'm going to show you where to find this module. It is an easy job. It's a DIY job, if you ask me. It's nothing crazy. That's how handy you are, guys. Don't quote me on this. That fault code is to do with this one here, because you've got one this sensor here. This is sensor 1. So it could be a few things causing it. Either the soot content, the oil residue, whatever it's in there, has caused it to clog up, so the flaps aren't working as it should. What we would say, just check the wiring first, obviously, and make sure that the wiring is fine, there's power going to it. If it is, take it out, clean it, see if that helps. If not, buy an OEM one. I mean, it's hard to find the code, but buy an OEM one, and it's just this sensor you take off and replace. There is a few bolts underneath here as well, there, and on the other side. Sorry guys, it's a bit of a nightmare, but there's one here, another one further down there, that you undo, comes off. Take this piping off as well here. Replace it with the original. Like I said, OEM is the best one, and then just kind of do a full scan and clear, and that should hopefully cure it. It could probably give you engine management light on. It will probably give you, well, put you into lit mode as well. That's what that cause will be. But this is the 1.5 Renault engine, guys, and common issue in them, I guess.